Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 1. Using appropriate properties find number 1 is minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Let us find this one, that is question number 1. Question number 1 is, here you see it is minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. You can write this as minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. We write this number first, that is minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 at the end plus 5 by 2. Here we are using the rule of commutativity, that is commutativity. Is the rule commutativity, that is minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Now if you take common this one, that is minus 3 by 5, what you are getting, you see, you are taking this minus common also, minus common, and take this 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into, in bracket we can write, 2 by 3 plus, we have taken minus 3 by 5, that is plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Here what we have done, we have taken the minus 3 by 5 as common, right? And this is the rule of distributivity. Distributivity. Right? Now we'll add this one. That is, if we write this in minus 3 by 5 into, in bracket we are adding this one, that is 6 is the LCM, and 3 2 just 6, that is 22 plus 1 plus 5 by 2. Then we are getting minus 3 by 5 into, here you see, 2 is 4 plus 1, that is 5 by, that is 5 by 6, 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2, 5 by 2, and this 5 will cut, that is by 1 1 1 and 1, and 3 will cut, 3 on 3, 3 2 is 6, that is right. We are getting minus 1 by 2, that is we are getting minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2, right? If we take 2 as LCM, then we are getting minus 1 plus 5, minus 1 plus 5, that is we are getting minus 1 plus 5 is 4 by 2 We cut this one 22, 2 to the 4. Therefore, we are getting the answer as 2. Right? This is the answer. Here we have used two property, that is commutativity and distributivity. Right? We have used two properties. Now we'll solve question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is, question number 2 is, let us solve question number 2. Let us solve question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is, that is 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. 2 by 5. 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. Now we can write here as here you see, you can write it here as 2 by 5. 2 by 5 we write here as 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 right. After that we can write plus 1 by 14, this one plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Here we have used the rule of commutativity by commutativity. Commutativity. This is the property of commutativity of rational number here, right? Now we can solve in this way, that 2 by 5 right. If we cut this one, that is 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, and if we take here you see 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14, 2 by 5. Here you can say that we can take 2 by 5 as common. Let us take 2 by 5 as common, that is 2 by 5. We have taken 2 by 5 as common, so we can write here as minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 plus 1 by 14 we taken 2 by 5 as common minus 1 by 22, that is 4, minus 1 by 4, right. Now this can be we use here by distributive rule, that is by distributivity we can get by distributivity we have used here beauty that is by distributivity we get this one, right. Now if we add this one, it will be 2 by 5 into, what is the LCM? LCM is 14. LCM is 14. If we divide 14 by 7, that is 2, that is minus 3 into 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 4. If we are getting 2 by 5, right? And in bracket we are getting this is multiply, this is also multiply, this can also multiply it, minus 6 plus 5, minus 6 plus 1, that is minus 5 by 14. This is obviously multiply, minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. Now you cut this one, this 5 is cancel out, and 2 1 is 2, 2 7 is 14, that is minus 1 by 7, minus 1 by 4, that is we are getting minus 1 by 7, minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 7, minus 1 by 4. If we take the LCM, it will be 4 7 is 28, we divide by that is minus 4, minus 7, and that we are getting minus 4 minus 7 is minus 11 by 28. Here we have used two rule, that is commutativity of rational numbers, and this is the distributivity of rational numbers, right? Minus 11 by 28 is the answer, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.